Please read this safety information. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to mount the ABB Kabeldon SLE fuse switch disconnector. To perform the following installation, you will need the VHB68 hex key from ABB, a 20 to 35 Nm torque wrench, a screwdriver, and a pair of cutting pliers. Before placing SLE on the bus bar, remove the SLE door from its hinges. Horizontally align the bolts to the bus bars and then mount SLE using the insulated tool VHB68. Fasten the bolts on the bus bars with 20 Nm using the torque wrench. Start with L2, then L1, and then L3. Open the cable cover and place the cables against the cable connectors. Mark them 5 mm above and below the cable connector edges. The top marking indicates where to cut the cable, and the lower marking indicates how much cable insulation should be removed to fit into the connector. You can now cut the cables at the perfect length and remove the insulation. First, fasten the cables using the insulated tool VHB68. Then fasten the bolts on the cables with the correct torque depending on cable size. Now close the cable cover and lock it in place with a screwdriver. Make sure to use the correct NH fuse size for the corresponding SLE. Place the fuses in the appropriate position onto the door by pressing the fuse release buttons with your hand or a screwdriver. Slide the door in its hinges and close the door firmly with a distinct motion. Now you're all set. The SLE fuse switch disconnector is operational.